Let's line dance. What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl, Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called All Snap Activate. If you're located in the New Orleans area, you're interested in activating some moves, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructional. If you want to dance, make sure you have the steps together. Let's dance together. At the end of this video, just click on this link. Also check out the choreography, All Snap. Also, guys, I am personally inviting you to the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. You're like, Linda, that's next year. Yes, but we're ready already. So registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Being that this is our 10th year anniversary, all the 4 previous times we have sold out. We already know we're going to sell out this time, but we want to go ahead and get that information out to you. Everything takes place at our website. You don't call the hotel. You don't call me. Everything you need is at our website, www.liunola.com. So instructors, don't give your people bits and pieces of information. Please send them to our website to give them all the details. And I see you at the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens June 1st, 2025. So let's get busy, guys. So this dance is All Snap Activate. It is a one-wall dance. There's only 2 parts, but there is a change. So let me teach you the 2 parts, and then I'll give you the rotation, okay? So let's go. So this is going to be our wall right here, but I want to work on this wall right here just for the sake of part 1, because we're going to do a half turn, and I don't want you looking back at the camera, okay? So let's go. So at this wall here, we're going to kick on the right. Kick, step, rock, side rock, recover, cross, right, left, right, right, left. Okay, so we kick on the right, the weight is on the left. 1 and 2, pivot, 3, 4. So side rock, recover, because when you do that kickball chain, we're kind of doing a diagonal. Kickball chain, side rock, recover, back to the front. So you go side rock, recover, and cross. Right, left, right, left. It almost looks like a pivot, okay? So kick 1 and 2, 3, 4. 3 4s on the right, cross 5, then 6, 7, tap 8. Tap on the left, because we're going to do the same thing. Kick and cross, side rock, recover, cross left, right, left, right. So from here, we're going to shuffle up and do a step, pivot, half. Left, step right, pivot, half. And we tap, side tap on the right, side tap on the left. Then we shuffle right, right, step left, pivot, half. Then we're going to step out and do a pump. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. This is how it looks. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Out on the left again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And that is part 1. Okay, so let's put it together. Kick and cross. 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, cross 5 and 6, 7, tap left. Kick 1, cross 2, pivot 3, 4, cross 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Shuffle left. 1 and 2, half 3, 4, side tap 5, 6, 7, 8. Right shuffle. 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And notice I'm going in, so I don't go out. I'm going in towards my midline. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's part 1. Now, you got it? Let's do it at our 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. fast shuffle. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So if you're having a little trouble with that, just practice. Practice makes perfect. Before you go on, let's go on to part 2. Okay, part 2. So we shuffle. We're going to start on the left. 1, 2, shuffle, and tap out. So we go left, right, out. We do it again. Left, right, out. Again, 5, 6, 7 on the left. 1, 2, shuffle, 3 out, 4 left, 5, 6, shuffle, 7 and 8. All right, now we're going to do a travel step. So 1, 2. Now we're going to do a travel step, but we're going to speed it up. Okay, so we cross 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. So we're going to stop on 6. So we're going to start slow, and we're going to keep on traveling until we get to 6. And we're going to speed it up. Okay? So here, 1, 2, we start on 3, going fast. 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. So, with that travel step, this leg brings you in the direction you want to go. The other leg goes to the back and the front. So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Okay? So see how this leg really just goes out to the side, moves you to your right. And this one here is the one that's going to do the weave, the travel. Go to the back, to the front, to the back, and the front. We're just changing up the tempo. We start slow, and then we go fast. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. So we on 6 switches, and 7, and 8. And 7, and 8. So we here, we can't travel forever. So now we go out, in, out, in. Okay? Now let's put that together. So with the rock. So it starts, part 2 starts on the left. Left, right, out. Left, right, out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Again, start with your rock. Left, right, out. Left, right, travel. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. From here, we're going to go forward on that right and just rock back and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, tap and kick on the right, tap and kick on the left. Okay? Because our legs are here. So we need to, one leg is forward. Right, left. So we're going to tap, kick on the right, tap, kick on the left to bring our feet back together. Okay? Now, the next step is going to be a kick. So I'm going to do it in place and just to give you the concept. So you kick, tick. Kick, tick. So we kick 2 times, starting with the right, then we tick. Then we kick 2 times on the left, starting on the left, then we tick. So kick, tick. Kick, tick. Okay? So now we're going to turn it a little bit, make it look pretty. Kick, tick, tick, and swirl right and swirl left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that finishes out part 2. Okay? So what do? We rock in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our feet are apart. So we're going to use a tap, kick, to bring it together. Then we're going to do our kicks. I kicked in place just to give you the concept. but it goes to your right, kick, kick, tick, then it goes to your left, kick, kick, tick, swirl right and swirl left. Okay, now let's put that together. Rock it out. 1, 2, 3, out, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, out, 8. Travel 1, 2, fast. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap, kick 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. That's part 1 and part 2. Now, there's nothing hard about this dance. This is an intermediate dance, I would say, because of the tempo and the rotation changes. The only thing I find is a little challenging, just a little challenging, don't get nervous, is your transition from part 1 to part 2, because the dance is fast. Okay? So, what does that mean, Linda? Well, that means you just only have to know the rotation. Once you learn the rotation, when it comes to your transition, it's a matter of you thinking about the next step and getting your footwork ready. That's it. Getting your footwork prepared for the next transition. That's all it is. Okay? Now, let's put 1 and 2 together. Now, what I just said, you might not understand it, but once you learn this dance, you're like, wait a minute. I forget what step to go into. That's what I'm talking about, the transition, because it's so fast. But you're going to get it. Just focus on learning part 1 and 2, and we're going to work on the transition later. Okay, so, what part 1? 5, 6, 7 with the kick. So, here's another thing. When I think about this part, I forget about the kick. That's what I'm talking about, transition. So the step we just came out of, when you start over, we got to start with a kick. Because I'm thinking about the side rock recover and crossing, but you got to start with a kick. That's all I mean. That's what I'm talking about. Okay? For as transition, just remembering the next step so you can go right into it. So part 1 is kick and cross, pivot, right, right, tap. Kick and cross, pivot, left, right, shuffle left, pivot half, side tap, toe tap on the right and the left, shuffle right, half, give me that pump, you go 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see that? 5, 6, 7, 8. So when I go in first. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So the first rotation, you're going to do it twice. So we go into that kick. 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, cross 5, then 6, 7, tap 8. Kick 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, half 3, 4, side tap 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle right 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, out 4, left 5, 6, 7, and 8. Travel 1, 2, fast 3 and 4 and 5, then 6 and 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, roll 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, out 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Travel 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap it. 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick and cross. Pivot. So that's what I mean. Transition into part 1 or part 2. That just takes practice and knowing the music. So now, let me give you the rotation. So there's 4 rotations. It ends on the 4th rotation. All snap, activate. So the first rotation, you're going to start with part 1. Part 1, you're going to do twice. And that's the only time you're going to do part 1 twice is that first rotation. Part 2, you're going to do twice. And you're always going to do part 2 twice. It never changes throughout the rotation. Okay, so part 1, you do first rotation, you do part 1 twice. You do part 2 twice. The second rotation, you do part 1 one time. You do part 2 2 times. Third rotation, you do part 1 one time. You do part 2 2 times. The fourth rotation ends on part 1 and you do it one time. So what is the change? The change is in part rotation 1 and part 2 and rotation 2. Rotation 1, you start doing part 1 twice. But when you get to the second rotation, you only do it once. And it stays every rotation, you do part 1 only one time. Part 2, you're always going to do it twice each rotation. Okay? So that is all Snap Activate. It is a workout and challenge yourself to learn it. And guys, when you're teaching yourself, when you're watching these instructions or whatever, it might take a little work. That's okay, because as you continue teaching yourself, you'll catch it faster and faster because you're understanding what is part 1, what is part 2, what is part 3. Okay, so hang in there. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I would love to see y'all guys at the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. We're going to have a blast celebrating our 10th year anniversary. All 4 previous times we have sold out. We already know we're going to sell out. We're looking at the individuals who have booked their rooms already. We're ahead of projection, okay? So June 1st, registration opens this year, 2025. I need you to visit our website. That's where everything takes place. We spell out everything for you. You register at our website and you book your room at our website. Instructors, please do not tell your people to call the hotel or to go on the website. Don't do it. When they go to Google or whatever, it goes to a third party. We want everybody to get into the room block, and you do that by going through our website, www.liunola.com. Check that out, and I thank y'all guys for your patience. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.